Permutation and combination. In how many ways can you arrange two pencils from three different pencils? If the three pencils are of color red, blue and yellow, we can arrange them as blue, red, blue, yellow, red, yellow, red, blue, yellow, red and yellow, blue. There are 6 ways. This is an example of permutation. What is permutation? The different ways of arranging a set of objects into a sequential order is termed as permutation. There are 2 different types, repetition and non-repetition. Let's understand repetition permutation through an example. From the set of first 10 natural numbers, you are asked to make 4-digit number. How many different permutations are possible? See, if we want to make 4-digit numbers from 10 natural numbers, we can place 10 digits at any 4 places like 0, 0, 0, 0, 1100, 999, etc. So the formula for repetition permutation is NPR, which means n raised to the power r. N equal to total number of objects and r is number of objects selected. So in this example, n will be 10 as there are 10 natural numbers and r will be 4 because we have to make a 4-digit number. 10 raised to the power 4 is 10,000, which is our answer. Now let's understand non-repetition permutation through an example. How many different ways can 8 students come in first, second and third place in the class? See, since all the students will be at different positions, here repetition is not possible. Like same student cannot be first, second and third at same point of time. The formula for non-repetition permutation is NPR equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. So here n equal to 8 as there are 8 students and r is 3 as there are 3 places, and the answer will be 336. Now let's take a different example. In how many ways can you select 2 pencils from 3 different pencils? And the pencil colors are same as yellow, red and blue. Since we have to select the pencils, the answer will be yellow, red, red, blue and yellow, blue. There are 3 ways. This is an example of combination. Now the question comes, what is combination? It is a way of selecting elements from a set in a way that the order of the selection does not matter. Like red pencil and blue pencil is equal to blue pencil and red pencil, and in the case of permutation they were not equal. There are 2 types of combination, where repetition is allowed and where repetition is not allowed. Let's understand repeating combination through an example. A person is going to an ice cream shop where there are 8 types of flavors. If this person is going to buy only 3, how many different ways are possible to select 3 different ice creams? The order in which the flavors can be selected does not matter. In this case, one ice cream flavor can be selected multiple times. So it is an example of repeating combination. The formula of repeating combination is r plus n minus 1 in brackets factorial divided by r factorial n minus 1 in brackets factorial. Here the value of n is 8 and the value of r is 3, and if we put these values in the formula, the answer will be 25,200. Now let's understand non-repeating combination through an example. There are 6 lottery tickets numbered as 2, 14, 18, 25, 30 and 38. If 3 of these tickets would be picked randomly and announced as winners, how many such combination of tickets can possibly be winning lottery tickets? See, since we can pick one ticket only once, here repetition cannot be possible. and the formula for non-repeating combination is n factorial upon k factorial in brackets n minus k factorial. Here the value of n is 6 and the value of k is 3. And if we put these values in the formula, the answer will be 20. Now the question comes that what is the difference between permutation and combination? So let us discuss that and then we will go through some examples. So for permutation, it denotes the arrangement of objects. For combination, it do not denotes the arrangement of objects. Order matters in permutation, but in combination, order does not matter. Permutation is used for lists and combination is used for groups. Now let us understand difference more clearly through similar examples. A person has 6 songs to choose from and will perform 3. How many ways can they do this? Let's see another question. A person has 6 songs to choose from and need to select 3. How many ways can they do this? This is a case of permutation and this is a case of combination. And if we place the values of n and r, which is 6 and 3, the answer will be 120 ways and 20 ways respectively. Let's take another example. In how many ways can 3 players be ordered from a team of 11 to bat in a super over? And let's take another variation of this question. In how many ways can 3 players be selected from a team of 11 to bat in a super over? This is a case of permutation. This is a case of combination. And the values of n and r is 11 and 3 respectively. And if we put these values in the formula, the answer will be 990 ways, and for the combination it will be 165 ways. Now let me give you a question and you should try it yourself. In how many ways can 3 letters be arranged from a set of 5 letters? And the second question is, in how many ways can 3 letters be selected from a set of 5 letters? Thank you for giving me your time, and I hope now you have some clarity in the concepts of permutation and combination.